Full refresh or full load is a crucial process in data management. Essentially, it involves truncating the existing data in a data set and then loading a complete new set of data. This method ensures that you have the most up-to-date and accurate information available. When you perform a full refresh in a service, you'll need a tool called Data Gateway software to facilitate this process. There are two types of refreshes to consider: a standard refresh and a scheduled refresh. A standard refresh updates your data on demand, while a scheduled refresh automates the process at predetermined intervals. This is particularly useful for maintaining data integrity and ensuring that your analyses are based on the latest information. Understanding these concepts is essential for any data analyst looking to optimize their workflow and maintain accurate data sets.